So today we are going to be talking some more about world demographics, and we're going to be looking about the United States, and then there is going to be an assignment, a comparison chart where you're going to have to go to the CIA World Factbook, which is right here. So let's go ahead and start with our presentation. Let's go up to the front. Okay. So if the United States were 100 people, so let's pretend like there were only 100 people in the United States, how many do you think would be male? How many do you think would be immigrants, like born in another country? How many of them would speak English at home? How many would be Christian? How many would live in an urban area like the cities or the suburbs? How many people do you think would have a dog? How many would have an Apple iPhone? How many people would at least have a bachelor's degree, which is the 4-year college degree? So we're going to look at the United States versus the world. So the United States demographic. So there's 326 million 625,791 people in America, approximately. So the number of people that live in the square miles is in a given area. So if you look here at the United States, Russia, you have like 17 people that live in a square mile. In the United States, we have about 10 people per square mile. 10 people per square mile. And the square miles, you can see how much a square mile is here. So 86 people per square mile. So is Los Angeles bigger or denser? So the population is 3,884,307. And in Houston, it is 2,195,914. And then you have to look at the land area. So Los Angeles is actually smaller than Houston, like the size of it, because it's only 469 square feet instead of 600 square feet. So the population density is much higher. There's a lot more people living in a smaller space. So the life expectancy of the United States is 79 years old. And the fertility rate is 1.87. So that's the total number of children that would be born to each woman. So a little one, almost two. And you can see here it's went down. The literacy rate is the percentage of people who can read and write. In the United States, the literacy rate is 99%. So almost all the people in the United States can read and write. The world literacy rates, you can see the red is 99 to 100. And then it goes down. And here, this is less than 80%. So overall, the world literacy rate is 85%. 85% of the people in the world can read. GDP per capita, $55,800. So the strength of the country's economy is measured by a bunch of different things. You have the gross domestic product, and so you can kind of judge the economic indicators in a country. So if you look at selected countries here, developing or developed, you can see Afghanistan, how many people they have, what is their GPD, what is their per capita, what is their life expectancy, and what is their literacy rate. So you can decide, are they developed? Are they a developed country? The United States is a developed country. We have a high literacy rate, a high life expectancy. Our GDP is good, and our population is good. So we're developed. But if you go up here, these are people that are they're developing. So there's a matter of choice. You get to decide to classify yourself as developed or developing. But other countries can challenge the decision. So like India is developing, China developing, Russia developing, Brazil, South Africa, South Korea. Developed countries are the United States, European Union, Japan, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Least developed countries in the world, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, South Sudan. So you can kind of see where the countries fit. So what you're going to do today is you are going to pick a country. But first we're going to watch this video. So let's watch this video here. The U.S. population. If the United States were 100 people. Okay, so after watching that video and the presentation, you guys are going to, let me find it. You're going to pick a country and you're going to do this comparison chart. So let me open it for you. So you're going to be looking for the population, the area, population density, life expectancy, fertility, literacy rate, and GDP. So the United States is in there. You're going to do Canada, and then you're going to pick one other country. You're going to fill this out and share it with your teacher. So where are you going to find the information? If on your, there's the CIA World Factbook page, and you can open it and you can look at the different countries and find that information. So let's say you were going to do Belize. All the information is on this fact sheet. So you'll use the fact sheet to get the information. Make sure that when you're finished that you share the chart with your teacher so you can get a grade for it.